G'day folks, I'm in the beautiful Wat Po in Thailand. Just gone for a walk, it's about 20 degrees, it's beautiful here. I put up a Facebook group, YouTube Creators Australia. The reason I put that up is for people who are making YouTubes to be able to put their YouTube videos up there and to get very robust criticism from other YouTube creators. Why am I doing this? It's because I need a very robust person to criticise what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. What I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. I need that. And to improve my videos, I need that. Now, whether I listen or don't listen, it's up to me. But I've put this Facebook group up so that other people who are making videos, mainly beginners, the ones that have got 500,000 subscribers, obviously don't need it. But it'd be great if they could comment on these new YouTube creators starting, criticise them in a positive way about their equipment, their presentation, and all aspects of their videos, and give them hints and clues how to improve quickly without having to use the trial and error method. YouTube creators in Australia and YouTube creators in Thailand, because I'm located in Australia and in Thailand, and I want to meet and collaborate and discuss YouTube video creation with other YouTube video creators. That's what it's about. Share it. Okay. See you guys from Wat Po. Wat Po in Bangkok, Thailand, not Wat Po in Bangkok. You can hear the bats in the background. It's fantastic. Here, cheers mate. Bye.